What's up, YouTube? Got another bike to show you guys here in the parking lot at AOMC. This is a 2024 Beta 300RR. Let's check it out. All right, guys, minor updates. There's 8 bikes for 2024. I think there's 4 2-strokes and 4 4-strokes. The Sachs Forks bikes, these RRs, get updated fork internals and an updated seat, so as to be a little more comfy. These bikes are absolutely stellar, aren't they? So the 125, or I did a video earlier on the 200, and that's based off the 125 platform. But the 250 and the 300RR also share a platform, and the 250 and 300RR and the 4-strokes got some revised radiators this year, lighter and more durable, and that is a design that I really haven't seen before, so pretty cool. Very big, wide radiators, which is probably why the bike feels this wide when you're in the cockpit area as well. But that's fine. If there's a reason for the bike to feel that wide, the radiators are working great, then that's fine with me. So the top of the radiator also, the reason it's designed like that is for the fork clearance. So Betas have caught slack for not having turning radius as good as some of their cousins. Well, now there's more room for clearance there, and that's with the steering stop still in there. So if you remove that steering stop, you get even more clearance out of that if you need it for hard enduro or whatever you're doing. The only other change I'm aware of on the 2024 300RR was the crankshaft bearing design, and that's supposed to be a more durable design. I guess the 250 got that last year, the 300 did not. So now the 300 has it as well. MSRP on this bike, the 2024 300RR, is $1099. That's $10,099. I also forgot to mention the MSRP on the 200 in my last video, which is $94.99. So I get a lot of questions. What's the price difference between the 250 and 300? Well, the 250 is $98.99. So $200 difference between the 250 or 300. Which one should you get? I get that question a lot too. Comes down to what kind of riding you're doing. The 250 is going to rev a little faster. It's going to feel a little bit more playful. The 300 is going to lug better. It's going to, you know, it's just, you riding slow, super tight, gnarly single track, or are you riding GPs? Are you opening it up? Do you have a lot of field sections? It all just depends. So I recommend trying to get to a Beta demo. A lot of dealers, Beta has a demo pod program where they actually ship bikes to dealers, and dealers can hold their own demos. So go to your local Beta dealer and say, hey, where's the demo? And hopefully your local Beta dealer is AOMC, and you can email John at sales@aomc.mx, and he can hook you up with a Beta, and you can tell him you saw this video. If you appreciate this, any of these videos, I'd appreciate if you use the link down below to grab your Beta parts from aomc.mx. All OEM Beta parts on the website. We just dropped a brand new website yesterday, easier to navigate, looks better. I hope you will go check it out. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.